We're going to be looking at problem number 12. This is from section 5.2. And before I can get started, I need to set up my pointer here. And one more thing I need to do is get a good color. Let's choose a dark blue. Now, what we're going to be looking at are these problems here. And it says in this problem, it says find the value of the logarithms without using a calculator. So this, if we're not using a calculator, it assumes we know some things. And so if we look at this first one here, this here has to equal some hopefully nice number. So let's just call it x for the time being. Now if we rewrite this, we can rewrite this like we did in some other problems. This is equivalent to saying that 2 raised to the x power is equal to 64. Well, here it would be nice to know what 2 to whatever power is 64. Well, we know that, for instance, 2 squared is equal to 4. That didn't come out too well, but we'll keep going. We know that 2 cubed is equal to 8. We know that 2 to the 4th power is equal to 16. And we know that 2 to the 5th power, okay, 2 times 16 is equal to 32. And so that gives us then that 2 to the 6th power is equal to the 64. So this tells us that on this particular problem, the x has to be 6. Going to part B of this problem, this would be equivalent. Let's just call this, let's use a different letter this time, y. This would be equivalent to saying that 4 to the y power is equal to 2. Well, when we're thinking about exponents and bases, they're in the same family with radicals, and we know that, for instance, that the square root of 4 is equal to 2. But that's the same thing as the square root of 4 is the same thing as 4 raised to the 1/2 power. Therefore, in this particular problem, this is going to be, the y is going to be equal to the 1/2. And the last one here, this expression, you have to remember that if there is no base written and we have log, logarithm, this is assumed to be base 10. And so we're looking for log base 10 of 100. Well, we know from previous experience or previous work or just basic facts that 10 squared is equal to 100. Therefore, log base 10 of 100 is equal to the 2. Remember that the logarithm base 10 of 100 is the exponent 2 to which the 10 must be raised to equal the 100. This finishes this particular problem.